All right, folks, we are doing the full tour from driveway to campground of Mountain View Motorcycle Campground in Elk Park, North Carolina. If you are a rider of any kind, you will be very impressed with this campground. It's simply incredible. People, views, rides, knowledge, service upon request. Just an unbelievable, very valuable place to spend the night or the week or 2 weeks. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pause. We'll be right back. All right, so we're at the top of the hill. We've got picnic tables, fire rings. We got a stack of firewood. We've got another table down here, and these are hammock stands on the left and right. And there's even more camping down at the bottom of this hill, should you want to get out of the heat. Another picnic table back here. There's the driveway we just came up. And this is the shop / bunkhouse. So there's still some people sleeping in there, but we will take a tour of that here in a minute. So we also have these two beautiful cabins. I believe this one's named after the proprietor's nephew, Chase. These are beautiful little cabins. You got water, they got power, fire pit, firewood, plants. Then up here, a little further, this used to be when I first came up here, this was a little supply hut. And now Janine and Mark have put a solar panel. We got a flagpole. We got these beautiful flowers. Look at this little walkway they put in. This was just a little overflow shed. I'm not going to open it up, but yeah, that's the guest house. So if we walked up the hill, the house is up there, and there is a bungalow attached to the house. It also has plenty of power, Wi-Fi, heat, all that good stuff. And now we will go take a tour of the shop. We'll be right back. All right, so now we are inside the bunkhouse and shop. As you can see, we've got full-on service in here. And I believe, Mark will hook you up upon request. If you need repairs while you're here, we've got a little dining area, fridge, pay it forward gear, and lots of cool posters and flags. Pow. We got a microwave, coffee pot, all kinds of cool stuff. And we've got a bathroom with a shower. On-demand water heater. Bunkhouse. Got a wood stove, pellet stove, little cooler refrigerator, and another beautiful shower. All right, now we're gonna go check out the campground up the hill. So from the shop and bunkhouse, we'll go up the hill here, and there is more camping up here. This is also I forgot to mention that Mark does some training, adventure bike training. If you're transitioning from street to adventure bike, or if you just want to sharpen up on your skills, you'll be riding through some of this, up this hill. And there's some obstacles back in here that he has built to practice on. So, as you can see, we got a little fire pit here. We've got some additional parking spots up here. This goes all the way back into here behind that Porta John, all the way back in here. And then you come around, pow, you got your balds up here. It's all exposed. On the other side of that is Roan Mountain. But yeah, this will be your view. It's just a beautiful place. So if you're in the North Carolina, Tennessee area, there is buku riding. Whether you're a street bike, touring, cruiser, adventure bike, it's all here. Kayaking, hiking, the Appalachian Trail is right up there, comes right down here. Yeah, this is a beautiful place to come, and I've been here for 2 weeks, based out of here. This is base camp, and yeah, I can't say enough about it. Mark and Janine Cornell, the owners, are just simply some of the greatest people I've ever met. So yeah, if you're in the area, come on out and give them a visit. Thanks for hanging with me, and have a great day.